Welcome to my channel. This is AIonomics, and please, before we go any further, first things first, please do subscribe to this channel. This is where I share with you about artificial intelligence and how you can learn more on artificial intelligence and how you can even generate income using artificial intelligence. So today we're going to look at a program called Leonardo AI. Now, Leonardo is an app that you can actually use to create images. Now, the interesting part of these images is that you can sell them, you can frame them and sell them as if they are your own paintings and images. You can actually tell Leonardo AI to create any image. All you need to do is to use text and then tell AI exactly what you want to create, and then it will create it for you and you'll be able to use those images. You can sell these images by maybe printing them and framing them. You can sell these images as posters. You can sell these images as decorations. You can sell the images as electronic images and generate income on a daily basis. It's very easy. I don't know how much you can make. It's up to how consistent you are with creating these images and be able to sell them physically or electronically and make money out of it. So the app that we're going to use is called Leonardo AI, and it's a free app. It's free per day. I think they give you about 120 credits, and then you use these credits, and once they finish, again the following day they give you free credits. You might not be able to make a lot of images using the free credits, but at least it will give you enough images, maybe 4 or 5 images per day, or even more, maybe even 10 images per day, and then you can reprint them and you can print those images and then be able to sell them. You can actually create anything with Leonardo AI. Now, the thing with Leonardo is that there is the free version and the paid for version. The difference is that with the free version, your images are not secret. So what normally happens is that whatever you create, other people that are using Leonardo AI can see your images, and they can also use your images. They don't need your permission because this is it's a free app. But once you pay for it, once you subscribe and then pay for it, it's got different options for paying. So once you pay for it, then you get exclusive images and a whole of other opportunities that you can get within Leonardo AI. So it's very easy to use. So we're going to learn on how to use the free version. We're going to log in and then be able to generate some images that we can create using Leonardo. There are other versions of similar apps that you can use, like Midjourney, but I'm going to give you, maybe we'll talk about Midjourney in a different channel, but today we're going to talk about Leonardo because I love the fact that it's very, very easy to use. All you need to do is to log in and learn how to use it. It doesn't take you long to learn how to use it. You can actually learn to use it today. What you need to be good at, though, is you need to be able to know how to create prompts or text that is going to give you the best image that you can actually use to create some art with it. So I'm going to show you some of the images that were created with artificial intelligence, Leonardo AI. So we're going to run them through, and there'll be some music playing in the background. Don't get carried away and listen to the music and forget to look at the images. Look at the images and get inspired. So I'm going to run about 10 different images. Some of them are artistic images. Some of them look like real photos, but all that is artificial intelligence. And what is interesting about these images is that you can take them and sell them as your images. That's very interesting about it. So now let's go and let's learn how you can actually do this. So I'm going to take you through step by step. So the first thing is we log on to Leonardo AI, and there you are. I'm inside Leonardo. You can log in with your Google account, and then, as it says, bring your ideas to life. So it's very easy to use. As you can see, all you need is to click and put in some text. Looking at some of the images that other people have created, this looks like it's pictures that were taken, but these are actually digital images created from text. So we're going to go to create image, and there you are. I'm in the section where you can actually create your images. I'm going to remove this text that I'd created some time back, and I will select it and then delete it so that I can put something else that is new that I'm going to create in a few seconds. So I've pasted in, and this is the text that I'm looking for. As you can see, I'm looking for something mystic, something, just an image with no people in. And you can experiment and put in any prompt that you've got. So I've already put in my prompt and then clicked generate. So it's going to generate 4 different images, and these images, depending on how fast your computer or your cell phone is uh, in processing, you get your images very quickly. There you are. These are the 4 images that it's created just using text. I'm going to click download any one of the images. They look like they're the same, but they're slightly different. One is probably of a different few colors, and the other one maybe is a little bit darker. Now that's the image. So very easy to do. You can actually get this printed, put it in a frame, and then sell it. Very easy. As you can see, this is a very easy document. This is a very easy image. You can print it and frame it and then sell it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for listening. Please don't forget to share, don't forget to like the channel, and don't forget to subscribe so that if there's any new lessons, I will personally send you a message to let you know that a new lesson has been posted.